Hello, this is Igor Chigrin with Fair Grant Writing, and this video opens up a series of videos about government anti-crisis, anti-COVID funds. And the first one that I wanted to cover is Canada Emergency Business Account. This is the loan program, government loan program that provides liquidity to the small businesses. But before we dive into the details of the program, I wanted to guide you how to find this information overall and how can you actually get to the page that you see on the screen. So what you do is, it's quite simple. You go on Google and you type in Canada Emergency Business Account. And what you see here is a bunch of links. In fact, the first link that you see goes to CIBC.com website. If it's your bank, then that's where you're going to go. So there are two options that I recommend you. Either you go to the page of your bank. Let's say if it's CIBC, you go there. Or say if it's TD, you go there, Scotiabank, and so forth. You could also go to the government website. That's what I personally prefer because you couldn't apply for this program using the government website, but at least you can read all the rules and criteria. So this is the page at canada.ca website is the main page that outlines all economic response measures to the crisis. There are measures, as you see, for individuals, businesses, and certain industries. What you're looking for at this moment is the support for businesses, and then you have to find the Canada Emergency Business Account program. It's right here. You click on Learn More about Canada Emergency Business Account, and let me walk you through all the bullet points here and explain what it is. So essentially, this is the loan, interest-free loan that is funded by the Canadian government, even though the providers of the loans are major Canadian banks and credit unions. The way you apply is that you apply through your financial institution that you deal with the most. For example, if you have business accounts in two different banks or even more banks, it doesn't really matter. You choose only one of them that you will submit your application through, because you cannot apply for this program with, say, two or three of your banks. You have to choose just one. And when you apply, you will be asked the question whether or not you applied for the same program through another financial institution. So let's go through the eligibility criteria and some rules. So first of all, this program is only for the Canadian employers with 50,000 to 1 million in total payroll in 2019. That means, by the way, all foreign-owned Canadian facilities, as long as the facilities are in Canada and as long as the payroll criteria is met, it's okay. Even if you're a really small company, as long as you pay salaries of over 50,000, you're qualified. The financial institutions will provide you interest-free loans of up to 40,000. In fact, when you apply, they don't even ask you how much, what's the loan amount that you prefer. You're kind of entitled to 40,000 by default, and then if the financial institution determines that they can give you less money, they will give you less money. But so it's upon discretion of the financial institution. Then the important condition of this loan is that if this loan is repaid by December 31st, 2022, 25% of the loan will be forgiven. So if you have received 40,000, then 10,000 will be forgiven. If for whatever reason you were not able to repay this loan by December 31st, 2022, the remaining balance will be converted into a 3-year term at 5% interest. Again, to apply for this program, go to your financial institution or credit union, the one you do business the most, the one that knows you best. To apply for a Canada Emergency Business Account, you'll need this document. It's called T4 Summary, or Summary of Remuneration Paid in 2019. That's the document that you can generate through your payroll provider. And the purpose of this document is to outline the total payroll that you've paid over the past year. So that's exactly what is required to apply. The application form will ask you to provide this 15-digit number, which is your payroll account number with CRA, and it will also ask you to provide this amount reported in the field number 14, which is total employment income, is the total salaries that you've paid to your employees in 2019. Yesterday I applied for this loan for my corporation. It was very easy and really painless process. I just needed those few variables, my total payroll and my CRA business number. It was very easy. It took maybe 5 or 10 minutes. I haven't heard anything from my financial institution yet. It will take them approximately 5 or maybe 7 days to process the application and get back to me. But I look forward to receiving their feedback, and hopefully I'm eligible for the loan. We'll see. I encourage you to contact your financial institutions right away and fill out the application for the loan. If you liked the video, I encourage you to press like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we will be posting new videos about other programs that the government recently launched. I would also encourage you to ask your questions in the comment field. Questions are confidential. Feel free to ask them to us through our contact form on the website. Our website is fgwinc.ca. You will also find a link in the description to the video. Also, you can give us a call at 647-800-5006, and we'll put you in touch with a funding expert who can review your situation and give you the individual recommendations about which programs will work best for you. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you soon.